How to customize Windows 11 widget settings. This tutorial shows you how to personalize your widgets panel and control what shows up in it. First, click the widgets icon on the left side of the taskbar, or press Windows key plus W to open the widgets panel. From there, click your profile icon at the top right of the panel to open the widget settings. After that, you'll see a list of available widgets. Toggle on any widget you want to add to your panel, or toggle off ones you want to remove. At this point, to rearrange widgets, click the three dots on any widget card and select Move to move it up or down in the panel, or select Resize to make it smaller or larger depending on how much space you want it to take up. Following this, if you want to remove a specific widget entirely, click the three dots on that widget and select Remove Widget. After that, to add a new widget that isn't already in your panel, scroll to the bottom of the Widgets panel and click Add Widgets to see everything available. From here, click the plus icon next to any widget you want to add, and it will appear in your panel straight away. Finally, if you want to turn off the widgets panel entirely so it doesn't show on your taskbar, right-click on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, and toggle off Widgets